Hey guys, what is going on? This is Shaylin from Altcoin Buzz here to deliver the news for today. So as you can see, the market cap is currently sitting at $718 billion. In the last 24 hours, the volume has been $47.6 billion with Bitcoin dominance currently at 34.6%. So in the last hour, we are starting to see a little bit of green appear into the market, flushing out the sea of red that we saw before. So for any of you guys who were scared, and panicking, and freaking out basically that you're seeing a lot of red, please do not freak out. It is very normal for us to see red as we have seen a lot of altcoins reach all-time highs. It's only right that we see a correction. But let's talk about the market cap, because a day ago when I was talking about the market cap, it was well over 800 billion, and now we're seeing it sit just above 700 billion. So it's currently sitting at 718 billion, and the price for one Bitcoin is $14,795.80. So we're starting to see Bitcoin take a little bit of a pullback right now. So let's see what is happening in the news. So we just got this article that CoinMarketCap excludes South Korea's prices. So the total market cap drops by 500 billion. So this article goes on to say that most cryptocurrency enthusiasts are well aware of how the prices on CoinMarketCap look skewed. This is mainly because they continue to factor in the Korean prices for the global average. Although that is only normal, it only makes the market look a lot healthier than they really are. And as a result, the platform is no longer including the Korean prices for all currencies. So the trading volume still counts though, which is only normal. So CoinMarketCap made this massive change where they took out the Korean prices. So that is why we had seeing this drop. And as a result, a lot of people have been panic selling, which is why we're starting to see a lot of this red. So again, guys, please do not panic sell. If you guys see a lot of red, that is a buying opportunity. And as Jeff says, you should be looking for buying opportunities when you see red, because then you can get your favorite cryptocurrencies on the dip. Because if you buy it at an all-time high and then the market goes into red, then you pretty much have a negative position and you end up losing some cash. So please stay away from that. And let's see what else is happening. So Bitcoin faces bearish move as prices drop towards $15,000. So if we just have a look at the chart, we can see that Bitcoin has just dropped past its resistance level, which was $15,398. So this is showing a lot of bearish signs right here. So very interesting to see whether or not Bitcoin will drop even more. But currently it stands at $14,795.80. But very interesting to see whether or not it drops down to the mid 14,000 range. So what else is new? Well, Ethereum reclaims its number 2 spot right behind Bitcoin. So if you guys have been following the market and cryptocurrencies, we've seen that Ripple was originally at number 2, but now it's starting to take a bit of a peel back, and Ethereum has just passed it. So Ethereum's market cap is currently sitting at 105 billion, whereas Ripple is currently sitting at 95 billion. So very interesting to see, whether or not Ripple will again overtake Ethereum, or if Ethereum will still keep its number 2 position. So what else is happening? Well, there is exponential growth. So cryptocurrency exchanges are adding over 100,000 plus users per day. So if you guys are having trouble like me, signing up to exchanges such as Binance, Bittrex, and a whole lot of other exchanges out there, it's because they're getting too many users, guys. As you know, when you create an account, you have to send in all of your verification and so forth. Well, the exchanges can't really keep up with the unexpected growth currently. So they are really struggling to go through verifications and just overall validating your account. So expect an update in the next week or so, as they are looking to hire more staff and get more processes in place to make this more efficient. But right now, just keep on trying, guys. I mean, I had some trouble, creating an account on Bitstamp, but I just kept on trying over and over again, and it finally let me in. So just keep on trying, guys. If there's any updates on this story, I will keep you guys updated. So a parody cryptocurrency just broke a $2 billion market cap, and that is called Dogecoin. So we spoke about Dogecoin a couple of days ago, and Dogecoin had just passed over 1 billion market cap. and now it says that it broke over 2 billion. So let's just have a look at Dogecoin. So I believe it is somewhere here. So as you can see, position number 32, Dogecoin is currently sitting at 1.6 billion market cap. So I guess this article was written a couple of hours ago. So it has taken a bit of a peel back, but again, it says the rise of Dogecoin and other Bitcoin descendants is due to the fact that it is perceived as being cheap compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum, and this is according to Dave from Octagon Strategy. So what else is new? Well, BlackBerry's mobile site is the largest target for cryptocurrency mining hacking. So the website BlackBerry has been mobile site has been discovered by a Reddit user, and there has been some implications with the code and hacking developments like that. So if you guys are using the site, please be wary as it is currently hacked, and you can see that the company has said the specific user has exploited a security issue in the Magneto web shop software and possibly others and hacked a number of different sites. We have terminated the account in question for violating the terms of service now. So just be a bit wary when you guys are using BlackBerry's mobile site. So what else is new? Well, Japan investors bet big on Bitcoin. So this article goes on to say that, a lot of people are saying like, I converted all of my disposable income into cryptocurrency. So you may be wondering, why is Japan so big on Bitcoin? Well, firstly, unlike other rivals such as China and South Korea, whose regulators have clamped down on cryptocurrency, well, Japan is actually opening it with open arms. They are actually allowing their society and people there to jump onto cryptocurrency. So what else is new? Well, Overstock gets $100 million from the Soros fund for blockchain and more. So if you guys are not aware about George Soros, essentially he's a billionaire out there, and he invests in a lot of property, stocks, coins, and basically anything that makes him a ton of cash. So this article goes on to say that of the $100 million from the Overstock deal, the CEO said that he anticipates $20 million will fund DeSotos Inc. DeSotos Inc., the blockchain properties right joint venture. He's working on a partnership with economics Hydrano DeSotos. So sorry if I mispronounced that wrong, guys. But effectively, the CEO is anticipating to put $20 million into the blockchain property rights joint venture. So that's very interesting to see, while the other 80 million is going to be put somewhere else. So what else is new? Well, if we look on Twitter, we can see that Verge has just posted a new update. In fact, Verge has just partnered up with Equid Card. So if you guys are not aware of what Equid Card is, effectively what it is a debit card for Bitcoin and altcoins and basically cryptocurrency. So they've just partnered up with Verge, which is a privacy coin, and they say together we will move towards future successes. So very interesting to see what will happen in the near future. If you guys have been following Team Blue, so Ethereum Blue, they have just recently launched their wallets, and a lot of people are enjoying it. So what else is new? Well, Electroneum just posted this update, and they said, did you know Electroneum hosts the world's biggest active Telegram group? How awesome is that? With over 35,000 users, it is the place to be. Join via this link. So Electroneum is boasting of having the biggest and best, Telegram group out there with over 35,000 users. So that's really cool to see. Electroneum has built such an awesome community. So that is it from the news today, guys. If you guys are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. That way you are constantly up to date when we post a video. Be sure to also hit that bell notification. That way you are notified when we post a video by the second, and you'll be part of our awesome notification squad. We're also on Instagram at AltcoinBuzz, and we're also on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO. Just remember the IO at the end. And we're also on Telegram. We have our own Altcoin Buzz army there, where you guys can drop your questions, network, and just write whatever you think about cryptocurrencies, as well as sending us some requests. I'll leave a link to everything below where you guys can follow that and more. So I'll catch you guys on the next video.